right, well, good morning, everybody. I'm actually on my way to go and edit this video right now, so I thought I'd film an intro. I'm about to go into the coffee shop that I like to go to, and in today's video, let me flip the camera around, we are... Anyways, yeah, about to start editing here. Doing the gauges in this video if I didn't say that already. And yeah, next stuff should be turbo stuff, so that's exciting. Keep an eye out for that.
Taylor crew, you guys have seen this?
I think they, actually no, I haven't here, they had a sneak peek. I filmed myself unboxing it, but that's gonna be in a different video.
Yeah, so Ben's gonna become a plumber here shortly.
All right, well, Thomas came to help me out. We're gonna go install the gauges. I've already got a rough idea of how I'm gonna run everything. I'll show you when I get to the car, but we're gonna snag power from the heated seat harness because the wiring harness is still there, even though I don't have heated seats because it's a Nismo. But yeah, this is literally the last thing that needs to go on the car before like the entire turbo setup and fuel return system, everything goes on. Like this is the last prep thing. So road to 500 horsepower is like halfway there, I'd say.
It's happening.
It's happening. Okay, so this is the gauge mount that I got. It's just like an eBay thing. Pretty cool. I already, off camera yesterday, I cut a hole. I don't know if that's even gonna show up. That's really, I need that ISO to figure itself out. There's a hole in the back of that I cut so we can run the wires through. We're gonna run the wires behind, back down, so I'm gonna take all this side off, run it through here, and then here is our, there we go.
No, it just comes off.
Need to take that out. So that's my little drift switch there. But in here is where we're gonna steal power from. I'm already yoinked the ground off for my button, but we'll pull it from this plug because I haven't tapped anything on this one before. So power and ground off of there. Okay, so we just exploded the dashboard, just took off the cover piece here. We just couldn't get any reach back there. So we're gonna run the wire from here, down behind, and then up along the tunnel there. Okay, so we just ran all the wires, got everything labeled. Going back behind, this isn't screwed in yet, but coming down here, threw a little test of tape on it. It's gonna be real nice and professional-like. Okay, boost is the middle one. Oh, that's AFR.
AFR.
So that's the far right one.
Yeah, that only.
Yeah, so we
I get in the right.
click.
First try.
Ready. Nice. Yes. AFR signal. AFR signal.
Pardon my Sigma, guys. Oh yeah.
Nice. All right. Here, I'll pull some of this slide.
Oh yeah, it's in.
Okay,
There we are.
good.
That fit is pretty nice. Yeah.
There's holes in the back of the thing to screw it in there, but I'm not gonna bother.
Good luck doing that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna freaking do that.
That's fine.
Yeah, so now we're gonna run power. Yes, looky.
Whoa. Sensor error.
So we're just gonna go button this up then, clean up our wires and stuff. There we go.
Wait, does it turn on?
Yes. Lock itself in. Click. Nice.
Yeah.
Signal wires, we'll do those next. Yo, cameraman Thomas.
Cameraman
So we
Tom.
just got unbolted all four of these little 10 mils for this piece. Oh, I can see the floor. It's the ground.
Pretty good.
That's not bad.
Hey, look at the ground down there.
So yeah, that's my.
Well, it's shifted.
Here, I'll put the clutch in. Yeah.
That's how a transmission works, guys.
Grab my angle because we're gonna chop that plate, cut an opening for the wires to slip through.
Safety first.
Safety first. I've got the helmet because I don't have a second pair of safety goggles.
Priorities. Whoops, almost tripped over a turbo kit. Doesn't that suck?
Okay, cameraman Tom. How about you feel those edges and tell me you think it needs more?
Oh yeah.
I think it's
Alright,
acceptable.
Feels pretty good. Feels safe.
Yeah, think it'll do?
Yeah.
All right. Moving on.
Update. We're fishing everything in here as it ought to go. Okay, that's probably good. Put it there. Okay. Headspace.
Dang. Put her down.
Looking good. Feels like it might be touching that edge, but it's not sharp, so I think we're okay.
Yeah, we kind of just pull up a little bit.
Yeah. And then there's a perfect way to route them all, where we can zip tie it to that arm of the transmission, so it won't touch anything. Heck yeah. Is it going? Oh, I don't think the mic's going.
Momento del truth. Wait.
The O2 sensor is plugged into one of the bungs on my test pipe. And the other two are just coiled up because we're gonna have to extend those to make them reach everything else. But that does mean the air-fuel ratio one should work. Let's see. So, something, oh, it's heating, doing its thing. I'm wondering. Oh, dude, look at the little, as it's heating,
It's thinking.
that's sick. I'm really curious what it's gonna do. And then I'll start it as well.
Yeah, the big one.
I want to let it just do its thing first, without. That's really cool, actually. I didn't quite know what to expect. Whoa!
Whoa, it's
it got
getting
brighter.
real warm.
No shot. Okay, let's start it. All right, we got the panel screwed down. Time for the piece of resistance.
The piece of resistance.
Click that in. Put this there, and then just like that. There we go. Oh yes, real good. Real nice and good. Nice and good. All right, well, now that that's done, we're going to his place to extend the wires on those other two sensors, and we're gonna get some lunch before that. Well, it's not lunch, it's 4:30. It's like early dinner, or late lunch, early dinner.
Yeah.
All right, we have arrived in Thomas's garage after a dinner. It looks like it could be like midnight, and we've been working all this time. It's only 5:45, so. Well, we're gonna throw the car back up, tilt it like we had before, so we can reach the wires that are down there. Gonna cut off the plugs, extend them, route it all, put the plugs back on the end, and then do sensors and stuff. Noise canceling on. Let's see if it works. We have the fan running right now. So
Parents aren't home. You know what that means. Brazing on the stove.
We're gonna use the stove to braise this piece because I didn't have the right fitting. We had to get a bigger one because there's no. The AEM. This is a complaint for AEM. Don't give a plastic teeny tiny T-fitting for the boost gauge. It's not usable for anything.
Oh, sure.
So we're gonna braise the fitting that it came with for the sensor to this T-fitting we just got from Ace Hardware. That way we can fit it into a 3/8 line because that's what most of the lines coming off the intake manifold are.
So yeah, we opted to put like a. Oh, there it is. Focus. So we're putting a couple coils around it and flux on the inside. So hopefully when it heats up, it'll flow down.
I really am curious how this noise canceling mode works. I've never tried it before. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the audio for this.
What's sparking off of it? Oh, it's starting to go.
No shot. Did that just work like really, really good?
Mine just worked really well.
Wow. That's crazy.
This is a reminder to drink water and stay hydrated.
So we just tested it and like plugged up the ends and blew through it, and this holds air. So it's also really like it feels like it's in there, like really sturdy. So we're gonna go plug it in.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what we got. It's this L piece right here. What we're gonna do is with the sensor piece there, we're gonna fit this in here like that, and the sensor will tee off that way. All right, here's what we got. I had to cut more, like it wasn't just a direct cut. I left a little bit out of the middle obviously because that T-fitting takes up some space, but I think it should fit in place. I'm gonna go fit it and then I will show the camera.
Alright, and that's how it's looking in there. I'll plug the sensor in and stuff, and then we're gonna run the wires, so looking pretty good, pretty decent solution. And it's right behind the intake, the throttle body, so it should be a proper reading. But we don't want it from before, obviously. I'm sitting on the floor right now. Thomas finished the
Cable wire.
there it goes. Come on, Gibble.
Come
on, Gibble.
Let's show him.
Short guy.
And this one's for the oil pressure. It's longer.
Yeah.
We got a little extra wire here. We'll trim as needed and dress up the ends. But first, we're gonna deal with the sensor ends, sensor bits in the engine bay, then run them back.
So I got the, while he was working on that, I got the splash shield off. I don't think I can get a good shot of it, but down there is the oil pressure switch, the factory one.
What we're gonna do is Thomas is gonna hold the shot back on the oil fill cap. We're gonna take it off and like hold it there, so it's gonna pull vacuum. So in theory, I've seen a guy do this with a drain plug. In theory, it should mean no oil leaks out of the hole because this is full of oil. I don't want to do an oil change right now. So we're gonna do that when that happens, we're gonna throw this guy in there, this little adapter guy. That goes to where the factory switch goes. The factory switch goes there, and then the pressure sensor for the gauge goes in the side there. But that's gonna obviously take time to do, and it would leak a ton of oil. So hopefully, I think we'll be okay. It'll be a quick maneuver.
It will be on video.
It will be on video.
Okay, Pibb, I'm taking over the channel. Not really. Anyways, we just did the vacuum trick. It worked. It worked. It did work.
It took us a couple tries. I couldn't get that adapter threaded in, but Thomas is the GOAT. He was able to do it, so I held the vacuum.
Woo! Yeah, I was super fortunate.
If you hand me the camera, I'll show them what we did. Okay, so that adapter threads into where the factory sensor was, and then we teed off it with the aftermarket one, just like that. Only got, you said right, like 4 turns or so? 4 turns?
Something.
Okay.
I wasn't really counting.
That's all right. That's all right. It's enough. It's tight. We're gonna go get some frozen yogurt and then come back and see if it leaked at all. If it didn't leak, we're gonna call it good and start going to town. Okay, so we're back from our snack break. There were 0 leaks, 0 drippage when we got back. We just tightened everything down real good and then started the car. Also no leaks. So we're gonna move on with actually running the wires, and then I think we're done because we got all the sensors. All the sensors are hooked up. So now we just have to run the wires, the signal wires, and the gauges are ready to go. So we'll see how everything works. So we did a little work off camera. We're actually all done under the hood now. So I wired from the oil pressure sensor up, over, and then down. So it's actually running together with the boost sensor that's back there, all going down the backside of the engine. Obviously you can see I got the engine cover put back on. We're actually all done under the hood, and you can't even tell anything's there. So that's what I'm really happy about. There you are. But yeah, so wiring up the last one. I'm gonna start putting the splash shield back on because we're pretty confident there's no leaks under there, so probably don't need to worry about it. If we do, I have an oil change in like 1,000 miles anyways, and then probably that'd be less oil change before turbo, so that'll be cool.
Wrapping up the. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that. Ben just said the lights died, but that's okay. I'm doing a walk around of the car. Look at that. Nismo. Series 1 RX-8. CB7 Accord. Straight into Ben.
Okay, so you can kind of see there. This is gonna suck for anyone actually trying to follow what we're doing. So we ran the wires through the transmission tunnel along the transmission, like the harness that runs along it. That's the loop for the O2 sensor because there was just a ton of extra. And then going up that direction there, we're running the wires up there. That's for the boost sensor and the oil pressure. Oil pressure actually runs up, over, and back down to right there where underneath the splash shield. But everything's wired up.
I can tug on this harness and nothing goes anywhere, so I'm not worried about it hitting or rubbing anything. And it's enough away from the exhaust that I think we'll be okay.
All right, we're in the car. Thomas is gonna test drive for us. And there's our AFRs. Oil pressure's going down. That's good. That's good. Dang, this is sick. Temperature is relative to that.
Your brakes are
I told you
so
the brakes.
stiff.
I told you the brakes are crazy.
Oh, that's gonna.
You barely. You have to literally SpongeBob big. I'll put that on the screen because that's literally how it feels to drive now that the stainless steel lines are on.
I mean, I guess I'm in slides, so I should probably do that if I had to.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to the Oh, it's because I let off.
Yeah, it's because you're
I should know
car
this.
guy.
I should know this.
All right. Well, just got back from our test drive. Everything's working swimmingly. Splendid.
Really well.
It's so cool.
Yeah. The car's really fast as is. Oh my goodness.
It's not fast
I
enough.
think Ben's kind of crazy.
I
for
need
going
150
turbo.
more.
I do think it'll sound very cool. So
I am excited to hear
for that.
the boost noise is gonna be sick. All right, bro. That's all right. That's all right. All right, man. Until next time.
Later, Pibbs.